Today we need to talk about Claude Opus 4.5, because it has been only 26 hours since launch and people have already pushed this model into some absolutely insane territory. This isn't just an upgrade. This feels like Anthropic quietly dropped a reasoning engine that can build, simulate, automate, and even joke its way through anything you throw at it. Let's start with the example that instantly went viral. Someone connected Opus 4.5 to the new computer use agent and gave it one instruction: file my taxes end to end and make no mistakes. And Opus actually did it. It opened the browser, navigated interfaces, filled forms, uploaded documents, and cross-checked information like a trained assistant. This isn't regular prompting anymore. This is true autonomous workflow execution. Then someone else took it in a completely different direction and asked Opus to write Python code that visualizes how a traffic light works on a one-way street with cars entering at random intervals. Opus generated a full simulation, complete with animations, timing logic, cues, and real-time behavior. It basically built a traffic engineering sandbox from scratch. But things got even more interesting when users began combining ecosystems. One developer created a new skill in Claude Code using Opus 4.5 and connected it to Gemini 3 Pro through an API. They gave it a simple prompt to design a web page. The duo returned an entire landing page: layout, structure, styling, copywriting, and responsive behavior. It's wild to see AI models now collaborating like multi-specialist teams. Then we saw the comeback of a classic, Claude Plays Pokémon. With Opus 4.5, the dialogue and personality took a huge leap. When someone asked if it was surprised by its own decision to name itself Claude, the model replied, "Give an AI unprecedented reasoning capabilities, and the first thing it'll do is fill out a form correctly." It's funny, self-aware, and genuinely better at roleplay than previous versions. But the example that stunned everyone came from game development. A creator asked Opus 4.5 to build a complete Othello game in one shot. No revisions. No corrections. And Opus delivered a fully functional, polished Othello implementation on the first attempt. People compared it to similar prompts they ran on Gemini 3.0, and Opus just overshadowed everything. All of this happened in 26 hours. Autonomous tax filing. Real-time simulations. Multi-model collaboration. Personality-driven roleplay. High-quality games generated in a single attempt. Claude Opus 4.5 isn't just a model. It's a sign that we're entering a completely new level of AI capability. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dives into the newest AI tools, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who follows AI closely, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.